A federal appeals court Friday night allowed Texas to temporarily resume banning most abortions, just one day after clinics across the state began rushing to serve patients again for the first time since early September. Abortion providers in Texas had been bracing for the fifth U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals to act quickly, even as they booked new appointments and reopened their doors during a brief reprieve from the law known as Senate Bill 8, which bans abortions once cardiac activity is detected, usually around c. On Wednesday, U.S. District Judge Robert Pitman, an appointee of President Obama, issued an order suspending the Texas law that he called an offensive deprivation of the constitutional right to an abortion. But in a one-page order, the New Orleans-based appeals court temporarily set aside Pitman's ruling for now while it considers the state's appeal. The court gave the Biden administration, which had brought the lawsuit, until Tuesday to respond. The Center for Reproductive Rights, which represents several Texas abortion clinics, urged the U.S. Supreme Court to step in and stop this madness. Patients are being thrown back into a state of chaos and fear, said Nancy Northup, the organization's president. Texas had roughly 24 clinics performing abortions before the law took effect September 1, and not all Texas abortion providers resumed services while it was on hold. Many physicians had feared a swift reversal from the appeals court that risks putting them back in legal jeopardy. The new law threatens Texas abortion providers with lawsuits from private citizens, who are entitled to collect at least $10,000 in damages if successful. That novel approach is the reason why courts had not blocked the law before Pitman's ruling, because the state plays no role in enforcing the restrictions. The same appeals court allowed the law to take effect in September, and stepped in this time only hours after Republican Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton's office urged them to act. His office told the court that since the state does not enforce the law, it cannot be held responsible for the filings of private citizens that Texas is powerless to prevent.